Welcome to So Fancy Jewels. My name is Lisandra and I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, all right? And tonight we're gonna discuss what not to do once you become a paparazzi consultant. So go ahead and grab your drinks and come right back. Let's chat a little bit. Just one-on-one girl chat. Sit back, relax, and listen up. I've been with the company almost 3 years, and I'm here to share with you what not to do. What not to do so that you don't repeat any of the same mistakes that I've seen done multiple times here at Paparazzi Accessories. So, first thing, get your notepad, a pen and paper, and start jotting down, all right? The first thing is that I have here is website. Don't wait to get started and sit around and wait for your starter kit to come before you get started. So let me say that again. Don't wait for your starter kit to come in the mail before you get started on working your business. The amazing thing about this company is that as soon as you sign up, you get a consultant ID. You get an identification number that shares with you and the rest of the world that you are legit. It's your business now. You have a free website. Yeah, free. All right. You didn't have to build it. You didn't have to upload the inventory. You didn't have to work on the design of any of it. It's absolutely yours. And as soon as you sign up with your $99, $29, or $4.99 kit, you get it. Already done, already designed, already filled up with all the jewelry that your customers need, your family and friends need to start shopping. So why wait? All right? Once you get started, don't wait to start the business and start making money. Go ahead and get everybody pumped up. Start sharing the opportunity with people. Say, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, can you just imagine? I just made the one of the biggest decisions of my life. I took a leap of faith. I joined this amazing company called Paparazzi Accessories. So start the hype. Start the hype. Get it started. Get your friends and families excited about, what adventure you're about to start and the journey that you're about to go through. Just get everybody excited. Get your warm market excited, especially your warm market. And if you've never heard the term warm market, that's your friends and your family, the immediate people in your circle that you can just hit up and say, hey, here's my website. Go ahead and start shopping and support your girl or support your bro. You know what I mean? So, because we do have men in this business. So, all right, we have men in this business. So if you're watching me, you're a man. Yeah, you can totally rock this. All right, so anyway, so back to that. Don't wait to get started. On day one of signing up, you have a free website where you can begin making money right away. Share it, share the website to family, friends, to everyone in your warm market. Get them excited about what you're doing. Don't wait. All right, so second thing, hold on, let me make sure I'm with you. Second thing is inventory, okay? Don't wait to sell out on everything that you have before you start buying more jewelry. I'm gonna say it again. Do not. Another thumbs down. Number 2, do not wait to buy more jewelry. Don't wait to sell. Don't wait till everything sells out. How about that? Don't wait till everything sells out before you buy new jewelry. Okay? Jewelry is money, and you can't make the money that you want to make and you want to accomplish in this business if you don't have jewelry. If I want to make $500 tonight, I better have at least 100 pieces. If I want to make $1,000 tonight, right? I better have how many pieces, right? So if I want to make $500, I better have 100 pieces. If I want to make $1,000, I better have, right? So am I just gonna sit around and go, hey, I got my starter kit, I sold all 35, let me now start buying jewelry? Wrong idea. What's gonna end up happening is you're gonna have this 2-week flat line where your business is kind of like, not jumping, right? Not jumping. All right, you're gonna have this 2-week period waiting for your order to come. All right, the best thing to do at the start of the business is, hey, I ordered my starter kit. Now I have a free website that not only my customers can buy from, but that I can buy from at a discount, where every piece of jewelry that I buy is only $2.75. Let me hop on that and take advantage of that opportunity right away. Don't wait to buy inventory at the beginning of your business. All right? Don't wait to sell out before you buy new jewelry, because then you'll have this time period where you don't have anything to sell. No bueno, right? All right, so what's next? Number 3, oh, my favorite topic, team building, okay? Do not wait, write this down. Do not wait to grow a team. When you wait to grow a team, you miss out on an opportunity to get another stream of income into your household right away. So, number 3, do not wait to build a team. Yes, you don't want to do that. Get started right away. Start with your warm market, like we've already touched on in the beginning of this video. Start with your warm market. Hit up friends and family, ask them if they're interested in earning extra income, or if they're interested in hearing about something new that you've embarked on, and things like that. Get them excited about shopping with you, absolutely, but also get them excited about the opportunity to join you along your new journey. All right, so start team building. Start talking to everyone that you know, whether it's at church or at the volleyball team, your daughter's, your kids' teams, or whatever. Start talking to everyone about how excited this has become in your life and what a great opportunity that you have and that you can share with them too. So 3 is, do not wait to build a team, because Paparazzi pays you to do that. Now, not only the idea of just bringing people on and just letting them go. No, we get paid to motivate, encourage, build them up. I mean, and they pay us, and Paparazzi pays us. We don't get paid directly from anybody else, all right? So when you join, it's not as if I'm getting a paycheck from you. No, not that type of boss. You are an independent consultant, and Paparazzi pays you commission for team building. And let me tell you something, team building is as simple as this: offering them the same opportunity that you were given to make extra income, or replace your full-time income, or just own your own business and have fun doing it, right? It can be just that simple. All right, so don't wait to team build. Do not wait to team build. And let me just touch on this because this just popped up in my head. It's called I like this. One day I was, listening to someone, and they said analysis paralysis. Don't get stuck on analysis paralysis. So it's kind of that concept of, I'm going to wait to build a team, or I can't talk to people about the business because I don't know enough about the business. I still feel like every day I learn something new about the business. If I waited to build a team, if I waited till I knew everything about the business before I started building a team, we would be way along like this 3 years later with no team members, because I absolutely do not know everything about the business. What I do know is that I know enough to share the opportunity and give and do it again. Do it again. Make money selling jewelry, and then also make money team building, because all I'm doing is motivating, training, and helping people do the same thing that I do every day. That's easy, right? I'm just duplicating myself, so to say. So I get paid to do that. That's not hard. And if I need to find out more information about, anything, right? I just don't know, right? What's compliant, what's policy, what's procedures. That's what support at paparazzi.com is for. That's what compliance at paparazziaccessories.com is for. They're there to help you and guide you through answering those questions that you may not know. Because let me tell you something, I could read an entire book, but who knows, you're going to go back into the book the second time and there's going to be something new that you didn't realize happened during the book. You're like, oh my God, brand new. It's like it happened to the first time, right? Happens to all of us, like watching a movie several times and finding out something new in the movie that you didn't catch before. That's how learning is, guys. So don't beat yourself up. Don't stay in that analysis paralysis place where you don't want to grow a team because, you don't know enough about the business or you don't know everything you want. There are people all around in your team, whether it's, an upline, a downline, a sideline, or just a paparazzi rep in general, that will be glad and more than willing to help you along your journey. All right, we have a wonderful sisterhood and brotherhood of people that we have gained a family, all right, that are willing to help and answer those questions for anybody that you have interested in the business. So don't wait to build a team, all right? Did you get that? I hope you got that. All right, number 4. Hold on. I'm gonna go take another sip. All right, so are you taking your sip? I hope you're enjoying this. All right, momentum. All right, I remember when I wrote that down. Absolutely. All right, momentum. So number 4 is don't lose momentum. Remain consistent. All right, write it down. Number 4, don't lose momentum. Okay? Things are going to get rough. Sometimes maybe, and believe me, maybe slow times or high times, or I sold 200 pieces, then I sold 40 pieces, and then I sold 1,000 pieces, and then maybe I sold 2 pieces, whatever. Don't lose momentum because of one or a few little hiccups along the road. Okay, don't lose momentum. Now that's for any business. That's not just Paparazzi Accessories tip right there. That is for any business. Don't lose momentum and stay consistent. The only failure is a quitter. All right? You're on your way to success as long as you don't give up. So remain consistent. Don't lose momentum. So what I mean by that is 1, 2, and 3. Use your website. Make sure you're familiar with your website. Make sure you're always sharing the opportunity for people to buy jewelry from you, for you to become a fashionista and kind of also be like, hey, I know exactly what would go with that outfit. I have the great natural tones to go along with that outfit you have on right now. Always talk about it. Be excited about it. Don't lose that fire, right? Secondly, going back to number 2 is don't wait to sell everything before you buy new, right? So keep that momentum going in your business, right? Keep the flow of inventory coming in, inventory going out. Inventory coming in, inventory going out. Don't lose momentum. Number 3, don't stop team building. Okay, stay involved with your team. Keep that momentum going with your team. They're going to feed off of your energy. Also, never stop recruiting, never stop prospecting. Continue to always to build, right? Build relationships, because it might be someone that you know now that might join next year. But remember to always build in new friendships and new relationships to keep the pot rolling and keep it kind of, right? Because some of your old customers might stop shopping, and then you'll need new customers, and then the new customers will stop shopping, and some of the old ones will come back. But remember, you need to keep the momentum in order for them to have somewhere to come back to. So don't lose momentum. All right? Number 5 is don't get stuck on stubborn, not wanting to grow and do things your way. Okay? Don't be stubborn to learn new things. Maybe you can write that down. Number 5, Don't be stubborn or don't be resistant to learn new things and new ways to do things. To do the things that you used to do that worked, that may not be working anymore. Be flexible, assimilate with time, adapt with fashion. Fashion is ever changing, fashion is evolving, fashion is sometimes goes back to old school fashion. So make sure you have a little bit for everyone in whatever place that they are, but it's really important to remain open-minded in this business. It's also really important to remain teachable and coachable throughout your journey. Okay? It just doesn't really work for know-it-alls. Let me be honest. You want to be the person that people feel comfortable to come with their concerns about the business, hear them out, validate them, change your ways of doing things as it goes along. Remain consistent, but also be flexible to the new and exciting ways of doing something that used to work that may not be working anymore. So maybe someone comes to you and says, hey, I'm starting this new thing called Messenger Party and it's working great for me. Oh no, I'm just a live girl. That's all I do. I make tons of money going live. I don't need that. You just, not only are you not the person I'm going to come to again, you're probably also not the person I'm going to join, right? So don't be that person, right? So be open-minded. Don't be stubborn to learning new things. Be coachable, be teachable. You're going to learn so much as you go along in an exciting, fun way, right? But, be open, be coachable, be teachable. That's how you're going to really grow in this business. That is how it really happens. You know what I mean? So there's tons of training available in our business. There's tons of resources. You can tap into those things, but you're going to have to be open to receiving and remaining coachable throughout that journey of yours, all right, to be successful. Because there are a lot of people in this business that are earning 6 figures, 7 figures, okay? And I want to learn from them, right? Or I also want to learn from my sideline or my downline. They tried something new and it worked for them, and maybe they're not making 6 figures, but it totally worked for them. Maybe it can work for me too. Why not just at least give it a shot? Listen a little bit, right? All right, so don't be stubborn to learn new things is number 5. And that's it. That's pretty much it. I can go through the many other things of what not to do in this business, but those are the 5 most important details of what not to do in this business. So I hope you really wrote your notes. You enjoyed having a little chat with me with your drink or whatever you were drinking, some sweet tea, whatever. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got something from tonight. Remember the don'ts, okay? And just go ahead and do your thing. Go and rock your business, and come and chat with me in the comments. If you have any questions, I'll be more than willing to answer them. Go ahead and like and subscribe. See y'all later. So Fancy Jewels, don't miss out.